up? This is AJ170, and today, sorry for the sniffle, I started sneezing out a lot earlier. Today I'm going to give out a shout out to one of my best niggas, MoDz V11. By the time you probably watch this, if you try entering in that gamer tag, it'll probably say offline because he had to create a new one. As you can see right there, he's given people temporary mod menus while they're in the game. If you ever need any kind of mods or anything, just go, pay him some money, and there you go. As you can see right now, I just spawned in. Now I have an mod menu. His recoveries are a price will be inside of the description. I don't really know what else more to explain. Beep. Yeah, there we go. Damn, that was dumb. It should be like how you activate it. So pretty much for the rest of this video, I'll probably show a lot of the mods for a few minutes as long as I don't get aimbotted. And I'll probably fucking rage quit if I do. Let's go to teleport gun. That seems pretty dope. Oh, this is dope. Inside this building. Host connections is shit right now. Fuck, I'm stuck in here. Son of a bitch. Ah, there we go. Teleporting with my gun now. This is fucking sick. If I teleport all the way up there. Oh, God! Oh, fuck, man. I told you not to use aimbot. Now I have to blur out those gamer tags, too. It's a lot of work. Dude, it's fake. It's fake. Dude, you know it's fake, right? If we are deranked, it's only temporary. Yeah, that's temporary, dude. Calm your tits. Dude, stop aimbotting. As you guys can see, I now have a jetpack. I am Batman. I'm Batman. Ah, oh, fuck, I died randomly. I'm Batman. I just killed myself. That was pretty dope. Because you have aimbot on. Derp. I mean, it should be like a common sense thing, shouldn't it be?